Have you ever had one of those days where you feel like you're just drowning in an endless to-do list of tiny, repetitive tasks? Well, what if you had a new kind of teammate, one that could handle all of that for you so you could finally focus on the stuff that really matters? Today, we are diving deep into the world of AI agents. They're the new teammates quietly changing, well, pretty much everything about how we work. You know that feeling, right? Your day is just this endless loop of resetting passwords, trying to schedule meetings, digging through spreadsheets. If you've ever just wished you had an assistant to take care of all that busy work so you could actually think about the big picture, trust me, you are not alone. Well, guess what? That extra set of hands you've been wishing for? It's here. Now, it's not a person, it's a smart program that's designed to be your most efficient, most reliable teammate yet. So let's officially meet the AI agent. So what in the world is an AI agent? Okay, think of it like this. It's basically a self-driving car, but for your work tasks. It sees its digital environment, it makes a decision on the best way forward, and then it actually takes action to get to a specific goal. And the best part? It does all of this without you having to sit in the driver's seat, micromanaging every single turn. So here's what we're going to cover. We'll look at how these agents are actually enhancing the human touch in our jobs, how they're supercharging business operations, helping us make way smarter and safer decisions, and then we'll zoom out and take a look at the big picture for the future of work. All right, first up, let's talk about how these new teammates are changing the way we interact with people, both customers and our own colleagues. It's kind of funny, right? We're using AI to bring back a more personal, human touch, but on a massive scale. Look, we all live in a 24/7 world now. There is no off switch. Customers, employees, everyone, we expect immediate, personalized help, and we don't care if it's midnight on a Tuesday or the middle of a holiday. For any human team, that is a huge, huge challenge. And this is exactly where AI agents just shine. Their range is incredible. In customer service, they're not just some basic chatbot, they're giving instant, correct answers to tricky billing questions and even offering multilingual support whenever you need it. And then you pop over to HR, and they're totally changing the game by screening thousands of resumes to find that perfect candidate and even automating the whole onboarding process for new hires. And this isn't just some fad in a few tech companies. The adoption rate is massive, even in places you wouldn't expect. I mean, take healthcare, a field that's all about human interaction. A report from 2024 found that a staggering 86% of healthcare organizations are already using AI. 86%! So what does that actually look like in a hospital? Well, these AI agents are acting like virtual assistants. They handle all the appointment scheduling, they send out personalized medication reminders directly to patients, and all of this frees up doctors and nurses and staff to focus on what they do best, actually providing that hands-on care for patients. Okay, next up, let's pop the hood and look at the engine of a business, its operations. The huge shift happening here is moving away from just reacting to problems and instead proactively stopping them from ever happening in the first place.
Just picture a massive factory floor for a second. If one key piece of machinery breaks down out of nowhere, the entire production line can just grind to a halt. The cost in both lost time and lost revenue is absolutely enormous.
For decades, the model has always been reactive. You wait for something to break, and then you scramble to fix it. But the new model, powered by AI, is predictive. AI agents are constantly monitoring equipment, they're analyzing all this data, and they're spotting these tiny little signs of wear and tear, which lets the team schedule repairs before a failure ever happens. And the impact on the bottom line, it's pretty significant. According to research from PwC, this kind of AI-driven predictive maintenance can slash maintenance costs by up to 30%. That is a massive win for any business. And this efficiency boost goes way beyond the factory. I mean, in IT, you've got agents resolving simple help desk tickets like password resets instantly. In logistics, they're optimizing delivery routes on the fly based on traffic and weather. And in retail, they're forecasting demand so the right products are always on the shelf. All right, now let's talk about the really high-stakes stuff, strategy. This is all about using AI to see around corners, to anticipate problems, and manage risk in really critical areas like finance and cybersecurity. And the threat out there is no joke. The FBI is reporting that things like phishing, extortion, and data breaches are just rampant. In a landscape like that, a security team of only humans is often just outpaced by the sheer speed and scale of modern attacks. An AI agent, though, operates at machine speed. So the second a threat is detected, let's say a weird login from a new location, the agent can go, threat detected, boom, account locked, boom, team alerted. And that whole sequence, it happens in less than a second. It shuts down an attack before it can do any real damage. And this strategic value isn't just stuck in one department. It is spreading across the entire organization. In finance, AI agents are on the front lines detecting fraud. In the legal department, they're spotting risky clauses in contracts in a tiny fraction of the time it would take a human. And over in marketing, they're making sure every single advertising dollar is spent for maximum impact. And speaking of marketing, some new data just came out that is absolutely fascinating. Turns out, a visitor who comes to your website from an AI-powered search is worth 4.4 times more than someone from a traditional search. AI agents are helping marketers connect with a super high-value audience through really personalized campaigns. So, let's zoom out. What does all of this add up to? Let's take a look at the big picture, because this isn't really just about some new tools. This is about a whole new way of working. If there is one single thing to take away from all of this, it's this. AI agents are so much more than just the next phase of automation. This is not just about finding a faster way to do the same old things. What's happening is they're fundamentally evolving. They're going from being simple doers that just follow a set of instructions to becoming thinkers that can analyze a situation, predict what might happen, and even suggest new strategies. They are becoming essential strategic partners for human teams. And that really brings us to the final and most important question. Because given how fast this technology is becoming a core part of literally every single industry, the question is no longer if you'll work with an AI agent. The real question is how. How are you and your team going to leverage this brand new kind of teammate to go after your biggest goals?